In this situation, your own debauchery has created your own defeat. Oh, so sorry. Your own debauchery has created your own defeat.
Give me 1 second. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. I burned some sage in here earlier and now I keep sneezing. It's driving me nuts. Back. Okay. So, Libra. Methodical, maybe? Ooh. Excuse me. Knight of Cups, yeah.
Reverse in your hopes as well. No, it's... Okay. You guys were the first sneeze that I had, so I'm pretty proud of myself. So, okay.
And this thing. Ooh, Virgo. I'm happy I'm a Virgo. I want all these options to... Oh, excuse me. And I sneezed into my hands. Whoops. Luckily, I'm at home. A lot of contact, a lot of movement forward. You know what's really funny is the song I got on shuffle for you guys is the same song I think I got for Cancer. Sorry. And could be... Oh, excuse me. I'm coming back and trying to communicate. Don't comment on my thing saying, like, don't sneeze into your hand, because that was the closest thing to me. It's going to be good news because the Chariot, Cancer energy, sorry about that, register for you. Some of you, this is a past, this is somebody you know already. This is somebody you know already. This Knave of Swords here, so it's more of that spying energy. Bless me, or God bless me. See, the Knave of Swords here is, and that could be you because you know there's a lot of swords energy here, and you could be, excuse me, the King of Swords.
With the knowledge that your period of misfortune has run its course, you are now entering, excuse me, an era, an era of achievement.
My business. That's none of my business. I have nothing to do with that. Excuse me. You had a whole family. Excuse me. Sorry. Pardon me. Thank you. Somebody had a whole family here. And they were doing some dirt. You know what I'm saying? Like 3 of Pentacles in reverse over the family. Like, there was some dirt going on. Dressed. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Excuse me. Oh, Lord. Stay tuned because when I get a chance, if I get a chance, I'll be doing some more TikTok tarots to know the destination. And honey, you know what that looks like. So what's unfolding for you is the Princess of Pentacles. Excuse me. What do I do with this opportunity that I have here? It started happening once I got in the shower. So very interesting. You shut out a whole lot of things out of your life recently. And as a result, things are turning in your favor. The Wheel of Fortune is turning in your favor rather than bringing their ass back and pushing the button on now today. They're worrying about tomorrow. And they're worried about the yesterdays that are gone. They're ready for some new energy, okay? Okay, interesting. Thank you. Thank you. Very feminine conversation with you. In other words, feminine indicating regarding emotions, sensitive Emotional exploration. Thank you. Sensitive. Emotional exploration.